Lots and losses. Aye. It's Rob. Today's haul. I saw some cars on there. And I found a Volkswagen Beetle. Not the Matchbox kind, but man, it was bare bones at Walmart. I saw that one. I was just like, that is just rad. And what a groovy Batmobile, man. Oh, yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Yeah, I don't have a Mazda race, but man, look at that. Can't wait to rip them out of the packages. And then I got a truck. Yeah, I got a truck. Trucky truck. Yeah. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Rip that greasy. Lots and losses. Aye. They're my good buddies. I love my crew because they're just the best. Could get a sticker for Casey in there too, man. I gotta get one for Dong too. I'm gonna find some way to make a sticker out of his logo for the diecast pirate. Put it on there. Aye. Arr, har, har, har. Shiver me timbers. Aye.